Hello, I'm Captain Vile. Welcome to Resident Evil 4. Yes, this is the 2005 version, re-released on Steam for 2014. Captain, why aren't you playing the remake? Well, that's a very simple explanation. The remake is like 30 bucks, and the original is 15. And I got it on a sale for 4. So that's why. Normal.
Resident Evil 4.
I think they said before. I don't know if they just say Resident Evil. So I've never.
1998.
I'll let them say.
I'll never forget it. It was the year when those grisly murders occurred in the Arklay Mountains. Soon after, the news was out to the whole world, revealing that it was the fault of a secret viral experiment conducted by the international pharmaceutical enterprise, Umbrella. The virus broke out in a nearby mountain community, Raccoon City.
Hey, I heard about
It
that.
hit the peaceful little town, with a devastating blow crippling its very foundation. Not taking any chances, the President of the United States ordered a contingency plan to sterilize Raccoon City.
A nuclear bomb.
With the whole affair gone public, the United States government issued an indefinite suspension of business decree to Umbrella. Soon its stock prices crashed.
Oh no.
And for all intents and purposes, Umbrella was finished.
What about the shareholders? Right.
6 years have passed since that horrendous incident. I received special training via a secret organization working under the direct control of the president. I was to assume the responsibility of
there no
protecting the
subtitles?
new president's family.
Cornel, why am I the one who always gets the short end of the stick?
You, who are you really? Come on and tell us. You are a long way from home, cowboy. You have my sympathies.
Guess that's a local's way of breaking the ice. Anyway, you know what this is all about. My assignment is to search for the president's missing daughter.
What? All by yourself?
Yep, I do.
I'm sure you boys didn't just tag along so we could sing Kumbaya together at some Boy Scout bonfire. Then again, maybe you did.
Oh, you crazy American. It's a
Sounds like-
direct order
I heard
from
there
the
were-
chief himself.
I don't want to talk over them.
I tell you, it's no big.
I heard there were QuickTime events and
I'm counting
cutscenes
on you guys.
in the original. This is probably jarring if you... We last played the free make, and then the two make, free make, and then original 4. But I've looked into it, and this is apparently how it's best
It was right
experience.
before I was to take on my duties of protecting the president's daughter when she was abducted.
Charming.
That's the ultimate reason I'm in this lonely and rural part of Europe. According to our intelligence, there's reliable information about a sighting of a girl that looks very similar to the president's daughter. Apparently, she's being withheld by some unidentified group of people. Who would have thought that my first job would have been a rescue mission?
It's freezing. So cold all of a sudden. Must be my imagination.
Whatever's looking at him must be pretty small for him not to have noticed.
Sorry
There's
it
not
took
that much
so long.
foliage for it to hide behind. Oh well. Loading. Okay. I don't want to interrupt them. Especially because there's no subtitles. They don't seem to be talking. They're probably going to start soon. As soon as I have control of Leon, I'll put
Just
subtitles
up
on.
ahead is the village.
No, that's a few games
I'll go and have
ahead.
a look around.
We'll stay and watch that car. Don't want to get any parking tickets.
Right. Parking tickets.
Good luck.
Yeah, put a quarter in the meter.
Jeez, who are these guys?
Did Did you say something?
No. Yellow.
Leon, I hope you can hear me. I'm Ingrid Hunnigan. I'll be your support on this mission.
Loud and clear. Somehow I thought you'd be a little older. So the subject's name's Ashley Graham, right?
That's right. She's the daughter of
What's
the
that
president.
video on
So
this
try to behave
walkie-talkie?
yourself, okay?
Whoever this group is, they sure picked the wrong girl to kidnap.
I'll try to find some more information on my end as well.
Good. Talk to you later. Leon out.
I should check that file. Okay, man of my word. There we are. Okay, files. Village files, communication log, info on Ashley. There we are, okay. If I reload, video settings? Motion blur, is there no subtitles? Subtitles are... Why? It's locked! Just, no, none for you? Really? Why? What if I do... Hang on. Set the default. Okay, I figured it, you can probably see what it looks like now. Still no subtitles. I gotta put on my... This may take a little bit. Hang on. We're almost there. Okay, now. Bear with me. Okay, hang on. Cool. Okay, unfortunately I cannot seem to turn the subtitles on yet. Maybe I'll change that in the future. I thought motion blur was off, I swear. I'm sorry. There we go. God, I don't know why video game companies keep doing that. Been a while since... Maybe I gotta change the sensitivity. I hate to have so... But I mean... Oh, it's a bird. Center quality. Subtitles, which is... It's so funny that that's just... Nope. Controller setup. Inverted aim. Willpower for it. Can I shoot that bird? What? That's a knife, Leon. How do I aim? Okay, I can't move while aiming. Hang on. What button do I hit to kill the bird? Okay, so Y is the map. What about B? X. I didn't think the game would let me do that. I really didn't think the game would let me do that. But anyway, I've heard that... Some bird. Can I run? There we are. I've heard that the remake sands off some of the edges, and it's not as campy as it normally is. So it's better to have the original. Although there will be some rough edges to deal with, but I'll put up with that for the original. RE4. No, Leon, the gun. And could you walk with it out, please? Okay, what was it? X? To shoot? I think there's gonna be a quick time event. Sir, do you know where the
Excuse me.
president's daughter is?
Sir?
I know I just broke into your house. Well, broke in. The door was open. That means I can come inside. Hi.
I was wondering if you might recognize the girl in this photograph.
¿Qué carajo estás haciendo aquí? Lárgate, cabrón.
Subtitles aren't on. I don't know what he's saying.
Sorry to have bothered you.
Crikey.
Freeze. I said freeze.
Yeah, thanks for your hospitality. Oh, he's moving! Shoot him in the balls! Aiming's a little hard. Are they leaving? I'm sure they're fine. Yellow?
Is everything okay?
No.
There was a hostile local. I had no choice but to neutralize him. There are still others surrounding the area.
Get out of there and head toward the village. Take whatever measures necessary to save the subject.
That means kill
Understood.
people. Huh? He's not a zombie. Well, he's not gonna be anytime soon. Alright. Let's rob him. We just killed this man. Why not steal from him? Handgun ammo. Yes, I think I shall. How do I reload? Ooh, these are some slow controls. Looks like they've killed a lot of people. Hope Ashley's okay. Seems I did the world a service by breaking into this man's home and killing him. I mean, he did come at me with an axe. He was gonna kill me. Alright, come on, Leon. It won't budge. They must have been pressing against it from the other side. Ah. Okay, Leon. The zombies aren't gonna applaud. Two shot. Hang on, hit him in the throat. Oh, hello! Eh. Oh, damn it! I suck at this game. Ow. The spin? Okay, how do I reload? I may have to change that. Okay, it's A. How do I heal? I'm definitely gonna have to change. Why is knife aim? Or, I don't know. Okay, button configuration. L is swing knife, ready knife. I really like that to be different. How do I... Oh, type 2, okay. Both controllers is fire. Left trigger plus A is reload. Ready weapon is left trigger. But, okay, that's pretty good. Bumper isn't too bad. Okay. See if this works. I can not move at the same time. But I forgot what this does, but this, that's easier. Bumper is for knife. I don't know what left or that. Let's shoot. All right. Let's get a move on. Is there a beehive over here? No, that's just a sign. All right. I'm a hero. I don't play with webcam on, so there's gonna be some. Hang on. Wait! That bird's an enemy of the state. Oh, that one's red. I keep doing that as a bit. Why is it paying off? I like this game. I think I shall take the hand grenade I got from killing the bird. Okay, hang on, wait. Is there a moral choice with this game? Alright, there you go, boy. Now if the bird... Holy crap, that was a jump. Anyway, my reasoning was if the bird gave me a hand grenade, what would a dog get me? I guess I'll never know. Oh well. What are these? That's a C4! Okay, can I defuse it or just go around it? Just go around. Alright. So there's traps about. Duly noted. Huh? Alright. Oh! Yes, I will. Thank you very much. Running low on that. Is there another dog? Or I guess it's a wolf, actually. Glad I'm not that guy. It's a wooden box. Looks like it can be broken. You got 1,000. This place's economy is interesting. Green herb. Wooden box is going to be broken. Nothing in it. Wait a minute. Oh, wait. You're already dead. Someone's sneaking around in the bushes. That's my job. Huh? I love the headshot spin. Oh, I love the headshot spin. It's so cartoony. Now, what do you have? $9,000. We're just mugging people. Oh, damn it. Where are they running off to? They're gonna set like a trap or something. Hey, I see you in there. I wish I could... Hang on. See if I can. No. Wait! The hell is that? What's on the gate? An emblem? Alrighty. What did you have on you? Not too much, it seems. 2 for 1. Oh, man. No, that's definitely not gonna help. Nothing there. Handgun ammo. These guys are just giving out handgun ammo. Not that I'm gonna complain. Hello? Yellow. I'm gonna set it every time.
Leon, how you holding up?
Bad
Fine.
question, Hunnigan.
Sorry to hear that. I'm sending you a playing manual. Hope you find it useful.
I'll take a look at it, thanks.
Playing manual 2. Control configuration changes are not reflected here. Please pay careful attention to button functions. Okay. I kind of preferred the other one. I think I'll change it back. Okay, Leon, you gotta change the sensitivity on this thing. What is wrong with that chicken? Oh, it's facing the other way. I was looking at its butt. Okay. Alright. A bit of a rocky start, but we'll get there, everyone. Don't worry. Shoot that defense. Holy! Oh, wait. Everyone's coming after me. I don't know what he called me, but it was probably an insult of some kind. Damn it, Leon, spin faster. Oh, that one threw something. Snagged him. Whoa. What the hell is that one doing on the roof? Wait, is he the one throwing stuff? Yeah. He is. Oh! He's pretty good at throwing stuff, too. Okay. Whoa! Just a second here, folks. Uh-oh! Maybe I should have focused on my aim a little more. Hang on, how do I prepare a hand grenade? Maybe I... Wait a minute! Wait a minute! I have the perfect plan. Run away! And find a secluded zone where I can murder a chicken. As we all know, hand grenades come from birds. If I can just kill that chicken, I'll be able to defend myself properly. Where is it? Chickens are so hard to wrangle. I had chickens growing up, and they're so fast. They're way faster than you think they'd be. Elusive, too. I don't know how foxes do it. I have to think like a fox. I have to be the villain of a fable. And be very witty. And kill chickens! Uh-oh. Damn it. Hang on. Damn it, get back here. Ah, rats. I've got you. Oh, crap. Okay, wait, hang on. Tio. Okay, how the hell do I activate this? Eh. Okay, they probably have treasure. $1,000. Handgun ammo. Okay, so red is weapons, blue is cash. There's a guy coming, Leon. Come on, Buster. Who just broke down that door to come get me? You look just like a guy I murdered earlier. Boom! Hang on. Are you sure these aren't zombies? Okay, I need to equip the gun again. Or, hang on, can I reload it while in here? No, I can't. Hold on, folks. Okay, your hands are not going to stop a 9mm. Ow! You guys are mean.
Oh, la campana.
Es hora de rezar. Tenemos que irnos.
Come on, Leon. Say the line.
Lord Sattler.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
I had that under control. Bingo could have been held off for maybe another minute or two. It begins with a ring. Yellow.
Hunnigan, I have some bad news. I've confirmed the body of an officer. Something's happened to the people here.
Leon, you need to get out of there. Look for a tower and follow the trail near it.
Got it.
Alright. This is I think I may have to change that, because the pause and inventory are swapped. But whatever. So, where might a save point be? Because I really need one to end this episode. That's an odd... He's got a rhythm mode as climb. Alright. That guy... Did that guy jump off the building? The dude who was right over there? And also, what is that? And what is this? Shotgun shells. Those will come in handy. There's no way that he... Leon, think about your knees. You're young now, but you won't be forever. An egg. Chicken egg. Use? Oh, you can eat it. Wait a minute. Got you now, punk. Oh my god. They can sustain multiple hits. Everyone was going, oh, Captain Vile, leave the chickens alone. You're going on about some mad nonsense. The chicken can sustain multiple... Oh, I was wrong. The cow. It's not even flinching, and I'm wasting ammo. Okay, so maybe okay, it's ravens. Ravens are nature's gun store and grenade store. Hello? Anybody home? Anybody home with... A barrel here looks like it can be broken. Damn, everything can be broken with my knife. And people are hiding money. Alright. Why else are you hiding gold in a barrel if you're not, like, committing money laundering? These guys not have a bank? They might not. Okay, hang on. Save point's over here, but it's locked, have key, open. I can go down there. So I need a shortcut. There's a save point over there. Episodes may be a little long, but hey, sure you guys don't mind. Maybe. And even then, I can cut stuff out. I'm not going to cut too much out, though, because there's not much that we don't need to see. I'm going the wrong way. Maybe I was wrong about not having to cut too much out. But anyway, for Resident Evil, the next ones, I'm not sure if I'm going to play remakes or not. Especially with how long it takes me to get through. It's locked. It won't open. There's kind of symbol on the door. I wanted to run. Because I play them every Halloween, so there's obviously going to be like a year between each playthrough. So who knows? Maybe there will be like an RE5 or 6 remake finished by the time I am about to move on to it. And I'm going everywhere except the correct way. She told me to look for a tower. All right. Now we're cooking. Oh, look. They've even signposted it. So, what's through here? Leon, I'm sure you could run faster than this. Come on, get those knees up. What is this blue? What is that? Oh, damn it. Let me through. I want to investigate that tree. Oh, there's multiple people here! I don't know where they are, though. Oh, damn it. I'll walk it off. This guy has some strong torso muscles. I see you creeping over here. Mind-blowing. Dude, these guys are getting stronger and stronger. I mean, I know you can tank in real life. You can tank some bullet. Okay. Nothing intercepts maggots. That's gross. Let's see. An egg. Don't mind if I do. Eggs are a pretty good source of protein. I'm aiming way too high. I shot his hat off. More evidence that I'm aiming way too high. Ow! Okay, that's not fair. Come on, man. You got a pitchfork. And I don't. What is that noise? Oh, hello. Boom! Ugh, he melts. just gonna. I'm gonna leave them me. Oh! Get down there! What the hell am I knocking down? Okay, I gotta get the hell out of here. Where's the save point? I suck at this game's combat. Okay. Y for the map. I'm going everywhere but where it is, and I'm fighting all the optional enemies. I'm just gonna try and outrun that guy. Wait! I was wrong to wage war with the chickens. I see now that they are a useful ally. Just need them to lay bullets. Leon, that is some knife. Okay. What is this over here? It stinks. That's all you see? Okay, whatever. I can probably shoot that down. Am I going? There you are. I think I will save. Thank you very much. So I can end the video. Okay. I'm in some danger here. And there's not even anything in there. Wonderful. Oh well. We'll continue on, and hopefully I'll get better at the combat. It's more so the... I guess just the moving the camera I'm not that used to. I'll get better at it. Oh well. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.